This is normally my day off, but I'm waking up at 7 a.m. and driving all the way 100 miles, no, it's like 50 miles, to go get proper sausage from a British store. So that's where we're going, so we can do this live stream. It's very early, and it's not very early, it's kind of the same time I wake up every day, but I don't want to wake up the same time every day that I wake up on Saturday. But I do need to clean the car too, because the car is just filthy for the kids. Okay, let's go get these bangers, and hopefully they have blood sausage. He said they have, you know, the bacon. It's a British store on the east side of Orlando, so, and we live on the northwest side of Orlando, so let's go. This road is usually packed with cars on a weekday. Not today though. See, I need to clean the car. You know, to be fair with you guys, I don't really think these things through. Like when I posted that, like I put bangers and mash and stuff, and I did not think of like the blood, the black pudding and all that. Did not think of it. I don't know if they have black pudding over here, but when I wrote that, I don't know, like I've been making desserts and it was hard to find rhubarb here. So imagine what it's gonna be. Why is there a hair on my head? Why did I think it was gonna be easy just to find bangers? I don't know. I don't think things through. I'm new here. I'm still kind of new, trying to get all this stuff together. But yeah, I did not think any of this through. And now I'm on a mad dash because I still got other things that I got to take care of today. This hat must have crawled out of like a hole in the ground. I don't know. I have no idea what's wrong with this hat. I rolled out of bed at 7 a.m. and just got in the car. I'm not exactly dressed to impress. Just trying to go. I need a cup of coffee though. Flat white. I have to get a cup of coffee. Foxtail Coffee is the only place that makes a decent flat white in Florida. Most places don't even have the right cup size for flat whites. I don't understand that. Ever since I came back, that's all I've wanted. That's all I've wanted in my life. But for some reason, they don't even make decent flat whites. So we're gonna get a cup of coffee, or this just isn't happening today. And when I say they make the best flat white, it's like 4 out of 5 times they make it right. The flavor's there on this one, but there's not enough foam in it. But I've had to tell myself, believe it or not, I only eat sugar and stuff like that on the weekend. I try to fast and only eat dinner and eat sweets and stuff 1 day a week. And from all that struggle for weeks and months, I've managed to put on 1 pound. I need to see a doctor about our healthcare system shit. Anyway, tally-ho, let's go. So I don't know if this is a thing in England, but here, these drive-through car washes and do your own vacuum thing has been popping up all over the country. All over. And they are very, very popular. Now I'm gonna try to get this lined up so we can go through the car wash. Okay, I can't honestly say I cleaned it. I think the fairest thing I can say is I knocked a layer of dirt off of it. These kids are animals, man. These kids, people look up and say, oh, you be careful walking with your kids. For every 1 step you take, it's 3 for them. Well, for every time I clean the car, for every 1 step I take, or for every 1 car I clean, it's like 5 for normal people. I don't, there were just cookies smashed and things for no reason. We gotta stop eating in the car, but they cry for a snack every time you get on the road for more than 20 minutes. That's Remy's like a little garbage pail. Knack, whatever. Let's go to the British store. Let's get some bangers. The only British shop for a few 100 miles apparently. And then right next to a spa. Let's go ahead and see what they got. Okay, so that was a really nice guy, British guy. This is in Winter Park. If you want to come over here and check this out. He had a lot of stuff. And good news, we got everything we needed. We got the black, we got the white, we got the bacon, we got Oh, we don't got the beans. We got to stop at the grocery store, get some tomatoes and beans and stuff. But he had some other stuff too that we got. That costs some money. That costs a lot of money, but it's all for you. So this is going to be a weird thing because I've never tried blood sausage before. So this is going to be a first. Or white pudding. This is going to be authentic, I guess. All the stuff's made in America. I didn't know that until I came back through customs, that none of your meats are allowed over here, which is very ironic considering all the things we put in ours. They're like, they don't put enough steroids in theirs, so it's not allowed in. And you're like, why? And they're like, because they had a meat scare back in the early 90s. And you're like, okay, we've had 20 meat scares over here since then. They're like, we don't care. It makes sense, accept it. I don't get it. These Tesla trucks are everywhere now. Pretty cool though. I've never seen one that color before. Foundation series. So I'm at I'm at Publix because they have a British thing, but the only thing is some Publix have a British section and some Publixes don't, and I've never been to this one before, so we're gonna find out. International foods, because you Brits are so exotic. Let's see. They do have it. Actually, they have everything. This is the British section. Just this right here. Over here for this. We need this. Already got brown sauce at home. Is there anything else we need from here? I got half of this in my refrigerator. And that's where we get our Yorkshire too. I might get some squash for the kids, because Remy likes squash. We just give him straight concentrate. Helps him focus. I'm gonna grab another can because this is not an act. I love these. I have a type. I like the Bachelors better than I like the Heinz. The Heinz is kind of bland. The Bachelors kind of like they were cooked in beer or something. Really good. So, one for you guys, one for me. You guys come to the States, come to Publix and get their fried chicken. The fried chicken's really good. And it's a cheap dinner option too if you come here. So, food's expensive here. 2 for $5. So 2 of these for $5. Let's get one of them. I'm assuming it's the Baby Bellas you guys use. I don't know if you guys just use the white or the Baby Bellas. I don't know if it even matters. I don't know. I like these ones. It's really good. That way you can just cook them on the vine. I seen somebody do that on Instagram. So I think it'll be cool. We got these ones, but they look too big. I like these ones so we can cook them in the bacon fat a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. I think that's all we need. Or maybe hash browns. Maybe some hash browns. So this is all the American breakfast options that we have here. This is just the frozen ones. We have an actual aisle for other breakfast stuff. Now we're back in the place. Tater patties. Nobody calls it that. It's hash browns. Nobody calls it tater patties. We sell fireworks in our grocery stores because it's almost 4th of July. And this is our breakfast aisle. We have the teas to your left, which, yeah, we carry Tetley. Now, fun fact, this is what my family drank for years before we'd actually get British brands over here. And there's Yorkshire Gold there too. We got Yorkshire Gold. I just bought some of that, but they have it here too. But this is our cereal aisle. We have a lot of cereal. And these are the healthier cereals. And these are the even healthier cereals. And these are the infamous Pop-Tarts. We get a lot of different flavors of Pop-Tarts. And here's our oatmeal. I think we have, maybe did you guys see it on the other aisle? But we usually have, I think it's Scottish oatmeal. I don't even know if that's a thing. It's still cut Irish oatmeal. That's it. Yeah. Well, let's get out of here before people look at us. That's all the syrups. Let's get out of here because we're getting weird looks. So for a bottle of squash, 2 cans of beans, a carton of mushrooms, and some tomatoes. And the only thing you didn't see me buy, oh yeah, and the hash browns. The only thing you didn't see me buy was a Coke Zero. That came for say $25 even. British stuff's expensive in America. Okay, we're home, but now I gotta get those garbage cans removed, this garage cleaned up, and I gotta get a thumbnail for the live stream, and I gotta get everything done. I got $160 in this stream, so I gotta go right. Let's get in there. I'm gonna get everything set up, get dressed. I got like 2 hours because we're going live at 3 here, which is 5, 6, 7, around 9 o'clock inland. So that way we do it a little bit earlier. All right, let's get it started. All right. So Richard, these are the best flavored chips ever.
Yeah!
And Remy likes the Jaffa cakes.
Yeah!
Yeah.
He loves them. Yeah!
He's really obsessed with these.
Yeah! Yeah!
Just destroyed it.
Yeah!
I don't know what I just did here. Here. Okay. How do I open these? He'll be taking a nap while we do the live stream. Will he take a nap? We don't know. He's been trying to get in the garage because we are going to be cooking in the garage. We got it set up. Got the camera set up and everything. We're going to be cooking it on the flat top. This is the whole situation here. So we're good to go. So you guys get to see that giant mess behind you. Let's see. And good. So all that this morning for classic bangers, British bacon, white pudding, and black pudding. And Remy is destroying the refrigerator. And obviously we need some brown sauce. Got the brown sauce. So I think we got everything. So let's get started with the live. We will see you on the live. Thanks for watching. Members, you are awesome. I'm probably blocking the microphone, but members, you are awesome. Thanks for watching. Tell them bye-bye, Remy. Tell the members bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. There you go.